Many of the Mora knives models, such as the 511, the Basic, the Pro, the Companion and others, do not come with a sharp spine suitable for use with a firesteel. My preferred methods of adding a sharp spine is using a file or a diamond stone and a vise. If your knife is made of carbon steel, the quickest way is to use a good file. However, if you have a stainless steel knife, which is more wear resistant, diamond stones are better suited for the task. Recently, a user from the Bushcraft USA forum, the Mr. Fixit, shared a cool method of doing this in the field. Simply stick the blade in the stump and you are ready to go. The bastard file I'm using was made by Baco and has both single and double cuts. However, there are similar products available from other brands. I have included a couple of links in the video description for your convenience. Initially, it seems like the file is making little progress on the knife, but as the scratch pattern develops, the process becomes much easier. Remember, the file only cuts on the forward motion. However, if you turn the file perpendicular to the edge, you can use a back and forward motion as shown in the video. The entire process only takes a couple of minutes. In the end, you have an awesome and clean 90-degree spine that will produce a shower of sparks from your firesteel. So grab your file or diamond stone and let's get started transforming your Mora knife in a versatile tool for fire starting and more. Remember to check the video description for additional resources and links. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe